Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. In this video, we are going to discuss about union in Python, or we can say Concat. Okay, so this is the agenda of video. So basically, union operator is used to combine the result set of two or more select statement or tables or data frames. Okay, so suppose if you have multiple tables or multiple data frames, it will combine the result of tables and data frames. Every select statement within union must have the same number of columns. So meaning, let's say you have data frame 1, there are 4 columns in that data frame, then it is mandatory in your second table as well, there should be only 4 columns because number of columns should be same in union. Okay, and it does not return the duplicate value. Okay, so I will show you what I'm trying to say, does not return the duplicate value. What is the meaning of this? Okay, so let's say this is the sample example. We have this DEPT, you can consider as in table 1 or data frame 1, and then this DEPT 1. And then let's say if I union of this, instead of union all, if I union, then it will give me the this output. Basically, it has combined both of the tables or both of the like result set. And if you closely see here, we have 40 cells here and here as well. So 40 cells in the main output, and the basically output came only one time. Why? Because it removed the duplicate values. Okay. So in case of union all, we get both values 4 to 40 two times. Okay. But in case of union, we'll get only the unique value. It does not contain the duplicate value. So this is the meaning of duplicate value. Okay. Now let's try to do this on Python practically. Okay. So we have two data set. This one DEPT, and here we have 30, 40 are repeating. It will come only one time after after union, and then after that we have DEPT one. So here also we have 40 extra. It will only come one time. Okay. Now uh there are two things as well, like you want to use two commands, or I can say two functions in Python: concat and duplicate. So this is the combination of union, I can say. So to achieve union, you have to use two functions: concat and drop duplicates. Now let's move, and I'll try to show you how we can achieve this. Okay, let me first read file. So before that, I'm importing pandas library, and let's say I have df1 and df1 pd dot read csv, and then c project one, and after that we have dpt dot cs. Okay, similar thing I can do for df2 as well. So I can copy this whole. Okay, and I'm just changing the file name. Okay, let me print this for you. Print df1 and print df. Okay, so see, if I run this, you will get the same output. In the first 30, 40 is repeating, and here 40 is coming in the first as well as second. Okay, but after union, it will come only once. Now, for basically union, first we will use concat. Okay, pd dot concat, and data frame 1 and then data frame 2. Okay, now let me run this. Okay, so if you see, it has combined both of the data frame, but it has it is giving the duplicate value as well. So as I mentioned, to achieve union, we have to use two functions. One function we have used, and the another one is job duplicates. Okay, so if I use this as well, if you see here, 30, 40 are repeating, and 40 came thrice, first, second, and then third. Now, if I run this, you will get the only unique result. So see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 40 is coming only once. Okay. So I hope this video is helpful. If you like or if it is helpful for you, then please subscribe this channel. Thank you, everyone.